I say. So, important thing is when you get tired. Yeah, my hat is so soaking wet. Wet. So the problem is when you get tired, you're getting anxious. You walk faster because you want to get there. You finished. You are tired. You really want to get to your vehicle. Dangerous. Keep calm. You're going to get there. Keep your pace. Don't rush. The way you went is the way you're supposed to go back. Don't rush. Dangerous. Because this is when you slip and fall, stepping on snakes, losing focus on what you're supposed to look out for, all those kind of things. Sure, my hat is soaking wet. Jeez. Alright. But then anyway, don't lose focus. Try to remember the path that you walked. Because remember, you already disturbed the area where you walked going that side. So for the nature to go back to normal after you pass there, it's going to take time. But now they flee to one point. So now if you go another route, coming back another route, you're now busy agitating them, which means you're looking for trouble. So try to go back the way you went. It's always safer that way. I know that I walked as close as possible to the fence, but sometimes you lose track. You see, like this, I remember I came down that way. Just be careful, don't rush, don't lose focus, because this is when disaster struck. And I need to remember, where did the snakes go, what I saw when I came this side, so that they don't go necessarily back the place where they try to escape from me. That's when they're getting aggressive, because now they think you are hunting them. Yes, I walked all the way to that mountain there. Nearly there.